Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're getting quite a bit of a late start because it rained all night long and all morning. Actually, no, it didn't rain all night. It rained all morning. Started raining early this morning, just as we were getting up.
About 7 a.m. it started.
Yeah, and we were gonna go out and start working and take care of our things before the wind picked up. Yeah, it didn't happen. So now we're gonna go play the wind game. Since the wind's coming out of the west-northwest, it's a sustained about 20 miles an hour with a gust of 45 miles an hour. We're gonna go do all the lawns that will benefit us with the winds blowing like that is. So it's gonna be a little chilly on us. It's 55 degrees, but with them kinds of winds, it's not as warm as it feels, or it is. So anyhow, I'm gonna do my best to set up a camera. It's going to be set up low because the wind's going to be blowing so hard to be blowing that thing over all the time. So we'll see what happens when we get to one of these yards. Okay, this is the only yard we can do. There's not a whole lot of leaves. Vicky's going to go on with the handheld blower and blow them out of there. And a little bit up over in here. And then there's some on the other side, but it's not a whole lot. This little itty bitty. Actually, this is the backyard. And this would be considered the front yard because this is waterfront property. So the backyard, or front yard I should say, is not going to take much at all. Just going to have to go over, and yes, this grass needs to be cut. So they're going to get a mow and a clean up all at the same time. Just a few leaves over here in the shrubs, so this is a quick and fast yard to do. So this yard turned out pretty good. You know, it's a little yellow because it's still early yet in the season, another 2 weeks, and this will be full-time cutting every single week. And the same thing with the yard next door. It turned out pretty good today too. Kind of nice when things are turning green. And then you got Vicky taking pictures of the lake.
I had to take a little video to send to my sister. She doesn't get to live in our area, so she doesn't have the place where she can go to the lake just like we can.
Them 2 yards are done. I don't have to worry about them for 2 more weeks when I come back to mow them. And then right now we're going to a yard I wasn't planning on going to, but I think it's going to be protected enough. We're just going to pick all the leaves up.
We picked up the sticks there the other day.
Yeah, we did.
So
And
get it cleaned up.
we're just going to keep chipping away at this. You know, some of these yards we can clean up, some of them we can't. We just got to get the ones we can done. This whole area is done. We don't have to come back for 2 weeks now. So shrubs are all pulled out of the one area and them 2 are all cleaned up, so we're good. So now we're heading back into our town, and we have one neighborhood that we're going to get started on and try to get that all finished up too. So we got all the lawns done that we were planning on doing today. We just got done with another one. It was a pretty small one, and then we just talked to another lady. We're going to be on hers next week because a little too wet for us to be out there. That one we're not picking any leaves up, we're just mulching everything up in the yard just like she wants. So that's going to be the end of our video for today. Thank you for watching and subscribing. You can check out the links in the description box below. It'd be greatly appreciated.
Have a good evening. Have a great weekend. See you at the next yard. Goodbye.
Yeah.